So let's talk about evaluating functions. For the most part, we're given a function and we want to use it to find out information. This is called evaluating a function. We can do this for all of the types of functions that we saw earlier, whether it's an expression, a graph, a table, or even a sentence. Let's look at an example. If we have a function that takes an input of x and it outputs 3x, we can evaluate the function at x equals 4 by taking our input and mapping it to 3 times 4. Our input of 4 gets mapped to 12. This works no matter what value of x we plug in. Let's look at that graph again. If we want to evaluate this function at x equals 2, we can look and see where 2 is on our input. 2 is right about here. And we can go up and say, where does it meet our graph? At this green dot here, whose output is 6. Another way of representing this is using the form f of x, where x is our input. We can say that f of 2 is 6, where this is our output. Let's look at this table. When our input is -6, our output is -3. When our input is -3, our output is -1. When our input is 0, our output is 1. Once again, we can write this using the form f of x, where x is our input. We can write f of 0 equals our output, 1.